and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group. youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
Airbus 2020 deliveries demonstrate resilience. Airbus SE delivered 566 commercial aircraft to 87 customers in 2020, in line with the production adaptation plan set out in April 2020 in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2020, deliveries comprised 2020 including 2019 including A220 family 3848 A320 family 446 431 Neo, 642 551 Neo, A330 family 1913 Neo, 5341 Neo, A350 family 5914 A350 1000, 11225 A350 1000, A380 8. In order to overcome international travel restrictions, the Airbus team developed an innovative e-delivery solution which represented more than 25% of the 2020 deliveries, allowing customers to receive their aircraft while minimizing the need for their teams to travel. Working hand in hand with our customers allowed us to navigate a difficult year. The Airbus teams, customers and suppliers truly pulled together in the face of adversity to deliver this result. We also thank our partners and governments for their strong support to the sector, said Guillaume Faury, Airbus Chief Executive Officer. Based on our 2020 deliveries, we are cautiously optimistic as we look into 2021, although challenges and uncertainties remain high in the short term. In 2020, Airbus recorded a total of 383 new orders, 268 net orders, showing continued customer endorsements in all market segments. The A220 164 new orders, confirming it as the leading aircraft in its category. The A320 family won 296 new orders including 37 A321 XLR. In the widebody segment, Airbus won 23 new orders including 2 A330s and 21 A350s. After 115 cancellations by the end of 2020, Airbus backlog stood at 7,184 aircraft. Airbus will report full year 2020 financial results on February 18, 2021.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.